Hello traders, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction and analysis video. So in this video we are going to analyze gold chart on different time frames, and we are going to discuss important price action levels that we can use for next week for finding buy and sell opportunities. So before going into the price action, let's discuss the latest COT, that is commitment of traders report. So for this particular week, and if we check the positions of the managed money right over here, you can see, if we look into the positions of the managed money and into the change in position column, you can see that the managed money covering their long position and short positions also, means they decreasing their net long position, along with they also decreasing their short position. The same sentiment we have seen in the previous COT report. Let me get back into the previous report. From here you can see that in previous week also they decreased their long positions and they also decreased their short positions. And in the previous week we have seen the consolidation in gold, but for this week we have seen a bullish rally and a bearish rally. So the current COT report is not reflecting anything one directional move, but overall we are in correction. If you are following me in my previous prediction videos, you know that the current phase is in correction phase and there is no clear indication or clear direction that we can talk about from the COT alone. So this is the data and this is the sentiment from the COT. Now let's move on to the price action chart and what we have seen in previous week and what are the levels that we can look for. We are going to discuss those levels now. So in previous week, this is for our time frame, we have seen consolidation for first 2 days, that is Monday and Tuesday, and on Wednesday we have seen a good bullish run. You can see from here in previous week the price was trading inside a consolidation range like this right over here and this low. So it was in consolidation, but on Wednesday we have seen that price made a good bullish run, and on Fibonacci the price got rejected from the 50% level, that is at 2382 roughly. We have seen some bounce in the high price range around 2386, but ultimately because it was in downtrend, so price, and it was in bearish pressure, so price got rejected from this important price action, or you can say from the golden Fibonacci zone, and we have seen a sharp decline. This was previously the high volume zone around the level of 2330 to 2345 roughly, this right over here. Now price trading below to this major high volume zone, and as per the volume profile we can expect further decline. So what are the levels of support that we have to watch? We already knows that this right over here is the immediate support, which is at 227577. so this is the only support right over here. So only at this price level we can look for buying, which is against the trend. So for buying we can look for buy only for scalping on intraday, and on higher time frame if we see some breakdown from here, then we are going to look for the sell opportunities toward the lower level. And on volume profile, if we look into the a big range from this around March to current trading period, you can see that the only support as per the volume profile is around this zone, which is around 2150 to 2200. Roughly we can say this is the only support as per volume profile, and from here we can look for the buy opportunities if we see it on higher time frame. So, and also if we see it on volume profile, so this is the only support as per the volume distribution and as per the current volume distribution. And we have to see any major development if it occur in between this path, but as per current scenario, this is the only support as per the volume profile. So we can expect a continuation in the current decline cycle that just started. So this is the scenario. And if we talk in terms of the pivot levels, you can see we already discussed this in Telegram channel that this level right over here, this was the weekly R2, and after breaking out from here, the price got rejected into the next candle on 1 hour time frame, you can see. And after that we have seen a big decline. Previously the price was rejected from the weekly R1, but after breakout it tested and grabbed liquidity from the higher price range, and then we have seen a continuous decline, which was the result from the impact of the NFP. So overall you can see we have seen a big decline, and price can like make some retracement. And for next week the pivot for weekly pivot is around 2322, and it is in descending formation, and it is below to previous weekly pivot. This was the previous week pivot, and this is the next week pivot, which is in descending formation, and we can expect a down move. So we can wait some retracement near to this level 2322, or if we see some rejection from here after the test, then we can look for the selling opportunities only on this pivot placement. So overall the scenario is going into the bearish favor, and we are going to look for the sell opportunities only. And what are the datas that we have to watch? Let's discuss those. And for the next week we have the CPI, which is a high impact data, and it is due on Wednesday. Right over here you can see CPI, or CPI, and on Wednesday we have another major data, which is Fed interest rate decision. This is going to be the most important data for next week, and as per the CME Fed Watch tool, the current scenario for rate cut is that the Fed is not going to cut rate, and it is going to maintain rate. You can see there that there is 97.8% probability that Fed going to maintain the current rate. So this is the major and most important data that we have to wait and watch, and how gold going to react on that. Another important data is FOMC economic projection that we have to watch. Then FOMC statement on the same day, that is on Wednesday. On Thursday we have FOMC on the same day, sorry, on Wednesday it is FOMC press conference. Then on Thursday we have PPI data, and then on Thursday, initial jobless claim. So there is a lot of data that we have to watch for next week. We are going to discuss more about the levels and the important zones. One more chart that I want to discuss is the gold chart on weekly time frame. You can see on weekly also the price is going into the bear's favor. As you can see, we have seen a continuous decline on weekly time frame, and as per weekly we can expect that price can retest this level around 2145 and then only it can bounce like this. So as per weekly there is a more decline possible. So we are going to discuss more about these levels and the structure in live trading session in Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.